Good evening, good evening, good evening. Man, quite the day we had. Absolute goonage. Uh, there, you know, isn't going to be much to really level out here, obviously, but yeah, we're gooning. We're straight piss missile going up. Um, Honestly, going into Globex, I'm not really looking for much other than a retest. Um, Retest some highs and hope for the best. Um, Realistically, there's not going to be any like A plus setups going into Globex, uh, unless we were getting some crazy pullback down to you know 74 or 25, something like that. But uh, we're sky high and we're staying up there. So um, nice thing about kind of a close is we pulled back on RSI a little bit. Still kind of high up there on higher time frames. Um, but I think we're kind of set up nicely for a retest, which works for me perfectly fine. We'll not complain about something like that. But yeah, that's kind of my game plan. No real levels to look for. 57 would be cool. Other than that, though, there's nothing here. There's nothing up here. But I'll see you guys when I take a trade, and yep, the usual. Well, that was not my finest work. um, there is a bit of an overtrading here. um, Bit of a sizing issue. Although I will say, regarding my sizing, I did have extremely tight stops on those trades. Like I'm talking 3 point stop losses. So, um, sizing bad, risk management not bad. Smaller losses, bigger wins, yada yada. I did let a couple trades go pretty green, and then, like for example, I took a trade here. It was like 5 points from my take profit, and I let it go. Not break even, but I ended up like a couple $100. I should have took profit here. I kind of fucked up there. Um, Start of the session was a little weird. We didn't open up with a lot of action. I did buy in on the pullback because I figured we had to get a little something. This was even honestly, this was a really good trade. In theory, anyways. I bought in the pullback, which was like tops on the 1 minute. Um, was going green, pulled back a little bit. I bought in two more cons, so already kind of a big trade. But this was green too. Like this was pretty close to my take profit. I really fucked up there. I should have I should have taken this win super early on, and it would have saved myself some time. But it was not the case. And then I was looking for the cross, or not, sorry, looking for the reversal after we crossed over. Kind of got ate alive. Definitely forced some trades here. but I didn't let any get super out of control in terms of loss. Like I think that the losses were pretty tight here. Obviously, I stacked them up, but I think even though this is kind of cope, but it's better to take multiple smaller losses, at least from a psychology point of view, than to let one trade go massively red and then you just take one big one. Because I'd rather have an attempt at what I saw as a few different setups than let one setup just ruin everything, you know? But I didn't take any good trades here. I was this was dumb. Um End up getting a bottom. I think I let it go pretty close to break even, small profit, and then yeah. Uh but once we got back over here, so I think there's some cuts in my recording because I stopped it because I was watching something else while trading. I was letting stop buys hit. Um, the big thing over here though that I was looking at was RSI was oversold. Obviously, we did do a big pullback from a high, but we bottomed out. We were hitting it. We were triple bottoming on the 1 minute, and combine that with RSI oversold, EMA VWAP crossover already pretty much bearish but pulled down. Um, this was like textbook reversal entry, and then boom, hit a slammer, made back all my losses, and closed out my day. And on that note, I wish everybody luck trading this shit. This shit is crazy. We're just going up and up. Good luck trading this in New York tomorrow because we're going for hires. I'll see you at 27K end of week. But yeah, good luck, guys.